This video describes how to search the Ebook Central database for books with career information. Ebooks can be a great source of detailed information, and they're easy to search inside. Remember that you don't necessarily need to read an entire book. One chapter or section may be enough to get all the information you need. The Sci-Fair Library has a few ebook databases. We'll be looking at the Ebook Central database from ProQuest in this video. You have a couple of ways to look for books in Ebook Central. First, the Browse Subject link will take you to a list of linked topics. If you see an area that describes your career, click on it to see all the books about that subject. You may need to narrow down the search results later, but it's a good first step. The second way to look for books is to use the search bar. We land in a basic search with just one search bar, but click on Advanced Search so you can add more search boxes and search terms. If you're ever looking for a specific book, you can search by title, author, or ISBN. If you're looking for any books on a topic, leave the drop-down menus on keyword and full text. The database will work by matching, so be sure to use specific and descriptive keywords about your topic. Enter one search term per line. Let's try a search for nursing and careers. I can add more search boxes for more search terms, so let's also add the search term NCLEX, so we find out more about the test nursing students have to pass to get certified to work. Notice that you have ways to limit search results on the right. You can set a publication date range, language preference, download format, and more. We'll also find these same limiters on our search results screen, so don't worry if you forget to set limiters here. This search retrieved over 120 books. Let's limit down by date using the year published area on the left side of the screen. It shows you how many search results are published in which year. I'm going to limit my results to books published in 2015 or later. That helped narrow my results to just over 24, much better. You can take off limiters by clicking the X next to each one at the top of results. If you want to add or change a search term, click on Edit this search. Search results are separated into entire books and individual chapters that contain your search terms. Click on a book's title for more details and ways to start reading, or use some of the icons on the right. You'll need to create a free account with ProQuest to use the full download or add to bookshelf options. Or you can jump right to read online or view the table of contents. If you click on a book's title, you'll see those same options to start reading, plus additional details about the book's description and author. You'll also see some tools, like the link to this book and an auto-citation feature. Also notice that there are copyright limits on how much you can download and print from this book. You can scroll down to view the table of contents. From here, you can either download or jump right to a chapter to start reading it. To see where your search terms appear in this book, click on Read Online. Don't worry about this error message and just search for one of your terms again. The little bars to the right of each chapter title are a visual of how often your terms appear in this book. Open up the triangle next to the chapter title to see the sentence with that search term and to go right to that page. This book tells me that even after nurses pass the NCLEX, they still might need to take pre-employment technical tests that are like the NCLEX for some jobs. This is really helpful information to know before you start job searching. At the top of the page, you have tools for working with this book, some of which you'll need to create a free account to use, like the highlighting and notes tools. You'll also see the link and citation features again here. Click the Share Link option to copy and paste the link for this specific page in the book. Don't use the URL from the browser's address bar. We had to log into this database, so that link won't work again. Click Get Citation for your automatic citation. It is set to MLA, but you can change it to APA or other styles if needed. Copy and paste this into your works cited list, but always be sure to double-check formatting. For example, this citation needs to write the database name in italics. We need to take off the https:// at the beginning of the link, and of course it needs to be in MLA formatting of Times New Roman, 12 point, double-spaced, and with a hanging indent. If you need help searching Ebook Central or help with citation, contact a librarian.